Good morning. There are very subtle messages in sacred scripture, and we find one of those that could be missed by us. In Luke's gospel, we hear Jesus of Nazareth is passing by. What does that mean to you? Is that just an incident that never happens in our day? I don't think so. It is up to me to recognize Jesus passing by in my life. It may be at my work, in my family, in my church, in my community, school, whatever. But my next step must be to imitate the blind person and to cry out and say, Lord, people say, be quiet. No, I need to let the Lord know what I want from my life. What would you ask if you were there on that day? But the reality is you are. Ask and you may see.